Jai Shankar! Welcome to another episode of Kallolaha. Did you enjoy the song in the last episode? The song of tailed animals? Look what I have here. Kim etat? Etat puchham. Dirgham puchham. Kasya puchham. You were asked a question last time. Which land animal has the longest tail? The answer is a giraffe. A giraffe can have a tail that is almost 1 meter in length, which is more than 3 feet. They are also the tallest of land animals. Giraffes are native to Africa. Just imagine, what if you go to Africa and stand between a group of giraffes? They will all be towering over you. And so, a group of giraffes is rightly called a tower. A giraffe can grow 15 to 18 feet tall, which means you will have to go to a first floor apartment and look out of the window to be face to face with a giraffe. The face of a giraffe is very similar to that of a camel, and its coat has a pattern of brown patches, just like the spots of a leopard. So formerly, giraffes were called camel leopards. Rightly so, the Sanskrit term coined for giraffe is Chitroshtraha. Here, Chitra means spotted and Ushtraha is a camel. So a giraffe is called Chitroshtraha. Chitroshtrasya puchham dirghatamam. While we are discussing tails, shall we play a game? Some of our animal friends here have lost their tails. Will you help them get back their tails, please? Look, there are all these tails here. You have to identify which tail belongs to whom and give it back to that animal. Whose tail is this? Etat puchham. Kasya puchham? Etat puchham Ashvasya. Etat puchham Vanarasya. Etat puchham Shunakasya. Etat puchham Shakha mrigasya. Etat puchham Dhenukayaha. Etat puchham Bidalyaha. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. You did a great job by helping to identify which tail belongs to whom. But did you notice how the words were used in Sanskrit? Vanarasya, Shunakasya, Ashvasya, Dhenukayaha, Bidalyaha. While some words ended in the same sound, others were different. What could the reason for this be? Well, you have learnt how to classify words into sets. We'll use the same trick here and learn to speak about what belongs to whom, or what one possesses. But you all are not going to sit there and watch me while I talk. You have to do an exercise with me. I'm going to describe a scene and you will use all your imagination to create a picture of it in your mind. While doing so, you are going to carefully listen to the Sanskrit words I use. Done! Let's begin. We start with examples of set 1. Words that end in the sound a followed by h. Think of a tree. Vrikshaha. The trunk of the tree. Vrikshasya prakandaha. Hollow of the tree. Vrikshasya kotaram. Branch of the tree. Vrikshasya shakha. Hey, what is that moving on the branch? The trunk of an elephant. Gajasya shunda. Can you see one tusk of the elephant? Gajasya dantaha. And one ear of the elephant is visible. Gajasya karnaha. Look, now you can see the whole Gajaha. We move on to set 2. A new scene with words that end in the sound a followed by Think of a house. Griham. The house has a courtyard. Grihasya pranganam. There is a small staircase to go in. Grihasya sopanam. Can you see the door of the house? Grihasya dwaram. You are inside the griham. You open the dwaram and come out and sit on the sopanam. You have in your hand a plate with pieces of a juicy fruit, phalam. You pick a piece of the fruit. Phalasya shakalam. You take away the seed of the fruit. Phalasya bijam. You put the piece in your mouth and enjoy the juice of the fruit. Phalasya rasaha. Ready for set 3? Words that end in the sound a. Start seeing the picture. A little girl. Balika. She has a bag on her shoulders. The girl's bag. Balikayaha syutaha. There is a water bottle on one side. The girl's water bottle. Balikayaha jalakupi. She has a pair of binoculars around her neck. The girl's binoculars. Balikayaha Dvinetri. She's trying to spot something on the tree in front of her. Chew chew. What could it be? Chataka. Chew chew. The sound of a sparrow. Chatakayaha swaraha. And what does she see? The nest of a sparrow. Chatakayaha needam. Who is in the nest? The young one of a sparrow. Chatakayaha shavakaha. Mama bird is feeding her chick. Let us go click. Remember this and move on. Set 4 has words that end in the sound E. Think of a river. Nadi. The water of the river. Nadyaha jalam. The ripples of the river. Nadyaha tarangaha. The bank of the river. Nadyaha tataha. Who is on the bank? A doe, a female deer. Harini. She is drinking the water. And what do you see in the water? The reflection of the deer. Harinyaha pratibhimbam. Who is next to her? Her fawn. The young one of the deer. Harinyaha vatsaha. So this is how we use Sanskrit when we talk about parts of a whole or objects that belong to someone. Words of the same set end in the same sound. Now I will give you the words and you will repeat with me the forms as taught just now. Set 1. Balakaha. Balakasya. Vrikshaha. Vrikshasya. Parvataha. Parvatasya. Suryaha. Suryasya. Set 2. Phalam. Phalasya. Pushpam. Pushpasya. Parnam. Parnasya. Jalam. Jalasya. Set 3. Balika. Balikayaha. Chataka. Chatakayaha. Shala. Shalayaha. Mala. Malayaha. Set 4. Nadi. Nadyaha. Harini. Harinyaha. Devi. Devyaha. Prithivi. Prithivyaha. In the same way, we can use names of people or places. Let's say you have a pile of books with labels on them telling you whom the book belongs to. How would you refer to it? Sumedhaha. Sumedhasya pustakam. Rohanaha. Rohanasya पुस्तकम. दिव्या, दिव्यायाः पुस्तकम. गीता, गीतायाः पुस्तकम. नंदिनी, नंदिन्याः पुस्तकम. दीपाली, दीपाल्याः पुस्तकम. Got it? Do you have a question? तव प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? कः तव प्रश्नः? Good question. How to talk about my parents and siblings? Listen. एषः मम जनकः. एषा मम अम्बा. एषः मम सहोदरः. एषा मम सहोदरी. Hey, you have learnt a lot of things today. व्हय नव्हे? आज कितले नवीन शब्द शिकली तुम्ही? संस्कृतांत कश म्हणचे? मगले, मम, तुगले, दव, मांकडा गले, गाये गले, सुमेधा गले, दिव्या गले आणि ताजेवर आशिल्ले बाकी सगळे शब्द कश वापरचे हें शिकली. So note down your assignment for today. How will you say in Sanskrit? This is Sonali's mother's brother's house. Listen to today's episode carefully and translate this sentence into Sanskrit. I'll tell you more about family members in the next episode. See you soon. Punar Milama. Jai Shankar.